Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So CcmExec.exe. Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. CcmExec.exe high CPU use. So um, how to solve this problem in Windows 11 or 10, both are working. There's no issue. Same steps. Okay. Firstly, click to start button and type task manager. Click to detail and select find out CC and like this. So right click to end task, then second solutions. If any Windows update pending, so click to setting, go to Windows update, then any KV series, any updates are pending, so firstly this is install it. Okay, then again click to system, slow down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows update, run. So please wait around 5 to 10 minutes. All services start and restart automatically by Windows. And please uninstall unwanted app and antivirus. If you have a two antivirus, so please check it. Type control panel or search and then click to control panel. Then click to uninstall program, view by category, and please check unwanted software antivirus. Two antivirus is using sometime in PC, so that why is facing these issues. Okay, thank you.